Epicflows.
Yeah. Mr. Chin. Mr. Chin. Serve. Yo, sell me one big buckle of water there. Yo, we master bossy. Yo, me nah no mask, you know, it's a cold buckle me want, Zane. Yo, can't really serve you still, you nah no mask, no bossy. Yo, Mr. Chin, come there with me. Mr. Chin. Where your mask? Mr. Chin. You know where mask? No mask, no service, huh? Mr. Chin. No mask, no service. Mr. Chin. Mr. Chin. No, I'm gonna put on my mask. See me put on my mask, yeah? Now give me everything in a cash register and a buckle of water.
It's Radekal, yeah.
Yeah, peeps. Hope you enjoy that one there. You know it's about Radekal Epic. So drop that like, comment, share, subscribe. If you enjoy it, you see me show a friend, make a friend show a friend. Come on. One thing I'm out, Epicflows production.
Shout out production.
Radekal and Big
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah!
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.